Um, let's read it through. So it's saying for this property you need to have 3 members in your set. Okay? Maybe not unique. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, I'm never saying that x needs to be different from y, or y needs to be different from z, or x needs to be different from z. Okay, keep that in mind. So I'm picking 3 members, x, y, and z, and then I have some condition. These are my conditions. If this condition is true, then this must also be true. Okay? If this is not true, then I don't need to check whether conclusion is true or not. Statement would be what? If the condition is false, what would the statement be? Condition would be viciously true. You know? If my premise is false, then this condition would be viciously true. Okay? I don't need to check the conclusion. If P is false, the conditional is by definition true. Okay? All right? Are we forgetting something? Okay, so this was one of the first interesting thing we said about conditionals. That if the premise is false, the conditional is by default true. Okay? Awesome. Let's move on, unless there are any questions. All right. So this is what it says. Okay, so I forgot to actually tell you what transitive is. Okay, so transitivity says that if you have an xy and you also have a yz, then you must have xz. Okay, all right. So it's kind of triangle thing that if you have 2 arrows, then you must have the third arrow, but in the right direction. Okay, if there is an arrow from x to y, an arrow from y to z, you must have an arrow from x to z for transitivity to hold. All right? Are we good? Ryan, are we good? Okay. All right. So this is supposedly. You want to go back to the previous slide? Oh, okay. So it's saying that A is some arbitrary. We said that I haven't defined here. Okay. So this is defining the domain of x, y, and z. All 3 of them coming from the same set. That's what it's saying. Okay. But for now, you are assuming that. So for this definition to hold, all I need is that x, y, and z should be from the same set. That set could be natural numbers. It could be students in a class or whatever. But it's the same set. Okay, so that's all I'm saying. All right, so here's an arrow diagram of a supposedly transitive relation. Okay, so for every arrow, for example, if I have an arrow from 1 to 3, and then I have an arrow from 3 to 4, then I have this arrow from 1 to 4. Okay, so I have all these arrows to make this transitive. Okay, are we good? Is this a transitive relation? Just confirm it for me quickly. Yes? Zoha, right? All right. Zoha and Hafsa. This is not transitive, and you guys are going to tell me why this is not transitive. You know why this is not transitive? What? Reverse arrows are? Yes? Which one is 1, 2, 3? Oh, okay, so this is kind of a messed up arrow, but assume that there is an arrow from every place to every other place, okay? So there is an arrow from 1 to 3, this blue one, okay? And there is an arrow from 3 to 1, this one, which is kind of the red one, okay? And so on, okay? So I kind of made these 4 circular arrows which goes from 1 to 3 to 4 to 2 to 1 in blue, and then I made all the rest of the arrows in red, which is kind of messy, but I think all the arrows are there. Okay, all the arrows from different nodes are there. Okay, so the claim I'm making here is this is not transitive. It does not obey. Oh, I have the definition here. This definition. And you are going to tell me why not. Yes, there are 4 variables here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise hands before you answer the question.
C to x भी जाता है x to z
Yes.
जो कनेक्शन है वो दोनों साइड से जा रहा है
Okay.
अगर 1 2 से कनेक्टेड है 2 3 से तो 1 3 से और 3 1 से
Yes.
ये explanation
So you are telling me the definition of transitivity? No. So I don't need, I need one arrow. Okay. So what I'm saying is, if there is an arrow from 1 to 2 and there is arrow from 2 to 3, I need an arrow from 1 to 3. I don't need 3,
हुआ तो नहीं होगा
3 to 1 arrow does not help me or it does not hurt me. Yes. I need the arrow in the right direction. I need the arrow from the first guy to the third guy. Zoha, right?
It have arrow on both sides of the line.
I mean, which arrows are missing? Almost all arrows are there, right? I'm kind of counting on girls to answer this. Fatma. Anyone? Okay, anyone. क्या? Blue lines नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay, देखो, to ensure transitivity, you. Yeah, I was sorry. Go ahead. No. Simple answer is no. But I'll explain it in a moment. Okay. क्या कह रहे हो? क्या कह रहे हो? हाँ. देखो, no one says कि z to x जाना चाहिए या नहीं जाना चाहिए. I don't care अगर z to x जा रहा है. Okay? Definition को देखो. Definition पे कहीं पे लिखा हुआ है कि x to z जाना चाहिए और z to x नहीं जाना चाहिए. नहीं लिखा हुआ ना? So it does not matter अगर z to x जा रहा है. Okay? अगर जा रहा है fine, नहीं जा रहा है तो भी fine. I don't care. Right? Transitivity के लिए requirement ये है कि x to z जाना चाहिए. Hasnan, Hanan, anyone, Gori Saab. Bolo?
कुछ लाइंस एक्स्ट्रा हैं
Okay, no. Yes. I'll try again. Yes? So देखो, यहाँ पे कहीं पे नहीं लिखा हुआ कि W नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? आप इसके अंदर एक्स्ट्रा कंडीशंस खुद ऐड कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे कहीं पे नहीं लिखा हुआ कि W नहीं होना चाहिए. हो सकता है हो, I don't care, right? Let me give you an example of a transitive relation that's going to surprise you. Here is here is a transitive relation. This is a transitive relation. Ramin is noting down, but she has no idea what's going on. Do you? Does anyone has any idea what's going on? Why is this thing transitive and that thing not transitive? I forget Mubin है कि Munib है? Mubin है. Mubin है. Okay. No one said कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए. कहीं पे लिखा हुआ है कि ये वाला एरो नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? ट्रांजिटिविटी ये नहीं कह रही. ट्रांजिटिविटी कह रही कि होना चाहिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा. But you are on to something interesting here. That I'll admit. Okay, I'm gonna kind of, yeah, go ahead. Give me a logical answer based on the definition that I wrote there. Why is this not transitive? जोर से बोलो. You guys are nowhere near where I want you guys to be, okay? Oh, I'm disappointed today, okay? Cool. Yeah, हाँ. जोर से बोले. Okay, then. नहीं. Same set से होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि it should just be the same point. You can have 3 different points in the same set, right? I mean, these are 4 points from the same set. है ना?
अगर हम सपोज करें कि ये जो राइट साइड में हमारे पॉइंट है अपर साइड में ये एक्स है
Okay,
लेफ्ट डाउन पे वाई है
okay.
और वो जेड है
कौन सा Z है?
लेफ्ट अपर
Okay.
अब हम एक्स से वाई आ रहे हैं लेकिन वाई से जेड नहीं जा रहे
जा रहे हैं.
एक्स टू वाई वाई टू जेड कैसे जा रहे
जा रहे हैं. एरो बने हुए हैं सारे. ये रेड वाला एरो बना हुआ है. आई मीन ये मेस्ड अप है थोड़ा सा क्योंकि एरो की बहुत सारे एरोज हैं ना, इस वजह से महसूस नहीं हो. बट सारे एरोज हैं वहाँ पे. ही इज़ रेजिंग हैंड्स फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम. यस. नहीं. Okay, I commend you for your answer, but no, but that's not the. Go ahead.
हैं सर एक्स वाई का रिलेशन है और वाई एक्स का रिवर्स रिलेशन भी है
Okay.
इस वजह से ट्रांजिटिव
I don't know. You tell me. बोलो. Something more needs to be said here.
एक्स वाई से कनेक्टेड है वाई जी से कनेक्टेड है लेकिन उनके रिवर्स रिलेशंस में आपस में
Yes.
इसलिए ट्रांजिटिव
नहीं. Yes. Okay. So here's the thing. Remember, so this was the hint. This was the hint. Okay. This was the hint. जब आप इस point के ऊपर transitivity देखोगे, since there is only one thing there, x भी वही होगा, y भी वही होगा, z भी वही होगा. Okay. So that was the hint. कि think of a case where x, y, z are not unique. Okay. So here's the thing. Assume कि यहाँ पे आपके पास, I don't know why I picked the marker. Think of x as 1. Okay, I'm labeling these as 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the same page? Okay, think of x as 1, y as 2, and z as 1. Okay? Think of x as 1, y as 2, and z as 1 again. Okay? Now, you have an xy. Okay? Because there is a relation from 1 to 2. And you have a yz because there is a relation from 2 to 1. है ना? But is there an xz relation there? No, it's not there. It's not there. So let me make the figure that I was avoiding to make. Okay. So what I'm saying is that this thing is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. Okay. So what do I have? I have a 1, 2. Sure, that's great. So I have an x y relation. ठीक है? ये चीज़ है मेरे पास. उसके बाद I have a 2, 1. So 2, 1 is basically y z. है ना? So I have a y z relation. Okay. Do I have an x z? I don't have an x z. So x is 1 and z is 1. Okay? This thing is missing. Yeah. Fatma, does it make sense? No? Let me repeat it, okay, one more time. When x and z are equal, what I'm saying is, if you can go from x to some place and come back to z, you should be able to go from x to itself. Right? Because y is the end of the first arrow, and z, or the x that you started with, is the end of the second arrow. You should be able to start here and end here for it to make a transitive relation. All right? I see super confused faces. Okay, ask questions, people. Let's make it interactive. Bolo? Shout out something, okay? Otherwise, I'm just going to repeat or rephrase what I just said, okay? So what I'm saying is, whenever you look at these conditions, think of the scenarios. Oh, what happened there? Oh, crazy. All right. Yeah, so think of the scenarios where variables represent same things, unless your definition prohibits that. Okay? So what I'm saying is, you should also think when x, y, and z are same. Okay? When x, y, z, all of this 1, then I'm looking for a relation from 1 to 1. There is no relation from 1 to 1, so it's transitive. Okay? So what I'm saying is that if you look at this relation, okay, where I have just one node 1, okay, then my x, y, z all should be 1. Okay? Then my condition would be, if there is a 1, 1 and there is a 1, 1, then there should be a 1, 1. है ना? This is my condition. Okay? But this is not true. If premise is not true, I'm fine. I don't need to worry about checking this. Okay? So this is transitive. So think of now two things. If there are just two things there, so one आप ये check करेंगे. दूसरा, you will check the same thing on 2. Okay? And then you would also check 1, 2. And 2, 1 should give you 1, 1. Also, you should check 2, 1 and 1, 2 should give you someone give me some breathing space here. 2, 2. Okay? All right? So since there is a 1, 2 and there is a 2, 1 and there is 1, 1 missing, this is not transitive. Okay? Are we good? Hanan? क्या? So देखो दो चीज़ें, एक constants हैं which are 1, 2, 3, 4. एक variables हैं. Okay? Variables represent the constants. Okay? You should say that I'm taking 3 variables x, y, and z, where x takes the value of 1, y takes the value of maybe 1, maybe 2, z takes the value of maybe 1, maybe 2. Okay? So think of those terms. Okay? And this is I'm looking for an xz relation, and I'm assuming that there is an xy and yz relation. Okay? So ये जो definition है, इसके अंदर जो x, y, z हैं, they are variables. अब उसके बाद आप decide करेंगे कि x क्या हो सकता है, y क्या हो सकता है और z क्या हो सकता है. Okay? वो values put करें और इस relation को check करें कि वो ये है कि नहीं है. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे किया. Okay? So जब मेरे पास सिर्फ एक element था, I could only take 1 as x, 1 as y and 1 as z. Okay? उस वक्त मेरे पास x, y would be 1, 1, y, z would be 1, 1 and x, z would also be 1, 1. Okay? कोई और choice है नहीं मेरे पास. जब मेरे पास दो nodes हैं, अब मेरे पास बहुत सारी choices हैं. Okay? X could be 1, x could be 2, y could be 1, y could be 2. So there are 8 possible choices, I guess. I don't know. Okay? So फिर मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें फिर check करनी पड़ेंगी. Okay? जिसमें duplicates भी हैं. All right? Hanan, you want to say something? Yeah. Yes, that was going to be my next question, and thank you for answering it. You need loop on every node to make this transitive. Okay? Yeah. Ibrahim. This condition should be true, तो फिर आपका relation transitive होगा. अगर कोई एक भी x, y, z है जिसके लिए ये चीज़ true नहीं है, तो फिर your relation is not transitive. Does this clear your confusion?
अगर हमारे पास दो वेरिएबल्स वन है,
Okay.
तो फिर तो हमें इस तरह लूप बनाने पड़ेगा ना ट्रांजिटिव के लिए.
So that's what I'm saying कि loops के बगैर ये वाला relation आपका transitive नहीं हो सकता. अगर मैं अब ये transitive है.
अब हम सारों की डिफरेंट वैल्यूज
ले लें. Yes. Yes. ये नहीं अब transitive है ये. इसके बाद ये transitive है.
विदाउट लूप से ट्रांजिटिव नहीं हो सकता.
Without देखो एक रिलेशन साइमल्टेनियसली ट्रांजिटिव या नॉन ट्रांजिटिव नहीं होता. ओके, फॉर इट टू मेक ट्रांजिटिव there are a bunch of conditions that must be true. Okay, but that's a bunch of conditions for different values of the variables, and for all values of those variables the condition should be true. Okay, ये condition सिर्फ एक है ना, लेकिन ये condition आपने सारे triples के लिए check करनी है. अगर सारे triples के लिए ये condition true है तो वो relation transitive होगा. अगर कोई एक triple है जिसके लिए ये condition true नहीं है तो वो relation transitive नहीं होगा. Make sense? Okay, good. Should we move on? बोलो.
सर वो 3 1s वाला क्यों premise false है? X, Y और Z में 3 to select it can.
So sorry, once again, can you?
X, Y, Z तीनों 1 हो.
Yes.
वो क्यों false होगा?
So for that you want 1 1 x y, but since there is no 1 1, आपकी premise false है. अगर आपकी premise false है तो आपकी condition true होगी. So this is what I was saying here ना, कि आपके पास let's say आपका relation सिर्फ ये है, या आपका relation, let me take a different example. ये वाली example 1 2 3 4, कोई यहाँ पे arrows नहीं है. Okay, ये transitive है या नहीं है आपके ख्याल में?
अभी तक
नहीं है.
अभी रिलेशंस आपने बनाए
मैंने बना दिया, मैंने जो बनाने थे बना दिए. You guys can see this, right? Is this transitive? Raise hands, raise hands. Raise right hand if you say yes, raise left hand if you say no. Oh, I see several no's. So देखो, this is transitive. Okay, now just convince yourself that this is transitive. Okay, transitivity के लिए कुछ arrows required हैं. Okay, this is what transitivity says कि x y वहाँ पे होना चाहिए, उसके बाद check करो x z है या नहीं है. Okay, none of the premises are true. कोई arrow है ही नहीं, so there is no transitivity to check to start with. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई एक arrow में डाल. So for example मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आप x को 1 ले लें, y को 1 ले लें, z को 2 ले लें, या कोई और combination ले लो x1 y2 z4, so आप transitivity जब check करना start करोगे तो क्या करोगे? आप premise देखोगे ना कि कहाँ पे premise true है. इनमें से कहीं पे भी premise true है ही नहीं, है ना? आपकी premise ये कह रही है कि जब ये true है तो फिर ये है. ओके, अब ये कहीं पे भी true है ही नहीं, premise कहीं पे भी true है ही नहीं. So for all x, all possible x, y and z, this condition is vacuously true. Okay, Nimble, right? She's in such pain right now. Okay, but I want you guys to voice your feelings. Okay, so what I'm saying is that this is transitive because there is no possible transitivity to check. Okay, transitivity check करने के लिए you need to have 2 arrows. Okay, they could be the same arrow, but you need to have at least 2 arrows. Again, I'm saying the conflicting statements, but you need at least 1 arrow. Okay, let me put it this way. जब कोई arrow है ही नहीं, this part of the condition would always be false. Okay, make sense? Are we on the same page? I'm gonna ask Nibal. Okay, are we on the same page? Make sense? Okay, Hanan. Yes. वो रिलेशन के एक टपल को करते हैं, डिनोट करते हैं.
जो हमारी ट्रांजिटिव प्रॉपर्टी होती है उसको हम रिलेशन पे चेक करते हैं.
Yes.
कोई रिलेशन ट्रांजिटिव है या नहीं.
Yes.
अगर कोई एरो नहीं है इसका मतलब रिलेशन नहीं है.
नहीं. Hold on a second. You can have a relation with on an empty set. Okay. This is a relation, but it's an empty relation. There are no arrows here. It's a relation on the set of 1 2 3 4. but इस रिलेशन को मैं ऐसे लिखूंगा. Okay, I didn't take any of the pairs from the Cartesian product, but it's a relation. It does not hurt me. Okay, let me take you step by step. Do you agree that this thing is transitive? Are we on the same page, everyone? Okay, you have a question. कौन से चारों variables? There are 3 variables here. अगर यहाँ पे condition में लिखा होता कि x and y and z should all be different, distinct, तो फिर हमें उन arrows की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. Yes. देखो अगेन मैं या इस पॉइंट के ऊपर गौर करो. फॉर एवरी, ओके, फॉर एवरी, अगर कुछ ट्रिपल्स के लिए ये कंडीशन ट्रू है और कुछ ट्रिपल्स के लिए ये कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है, तो फिर ये कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है. ओके, आर वी गुड? Cool, awesome. Let's move on from this example. Okay, this example is transitive. All right. Let me give you a further example and let me ask you. Okay, is this thing transitive? Okay, before saying no or yes, okay, give yourself at least 5 seconds, guys. Okay, I mean, I even don't know कि ये transitive है या नहीं. मुझे 10 सेकंड लगेंगे यार, थोड़ा सा. Okay, give yourself time. Okay, let me think about it. All right, is this transitive or not? Think about it and without raising voice, raise your hands. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is this transitive? Brian has an answer. Ryan has an answer. Sorry, guy, man. I don't do it on purpose. Okay. I'm sorry. It's transitive, right? Is this transitive, Nimo? Okay, आप कहते हैं तो होगा. All right, so that was her answer. So देखो, transitivity के लिए I told you in a straightforward case, unless कि हम loop की बात करें, unless there is a loop, you need at least 2 arrows. If there is a loop इन 2 points में और इसमें क्या? आप ये कह रहे हैं कि मैं 3, 4 को remove कर दूँ यहाँ से? आप ये कह रहे हो? ये एक relation है और ये एक relation है ना? ये transitive है, ये transitive नहीं है. And you are gonna tell me that this is not transitive. Why this is not transitive? नहीं, ये transitive नहीं है. This is not a transitive. I never said this thing is transitive. Did I? This is not transitive. Okay. Now you are somewhere. If I add this loop, this thing becomes transitive. Good to know that there is some sanity that's prevailing in this class. Okay. If I add this arrow, then this becomes transitive.
And
Now both are transitive. Sorry, what? क्योंकि वहाँ पे 1 2 था. अगर 2 1 होता तो फिर मुझे लूप चाहिए होता 1 के ऊपर. ओके, क्यों चाहिए बोलो, सोचो, देखो. Okay, forget about everything. Okay, let's come back. You have 3 variables x, y, z. You need to decide कि x की वैल्यू क्या होगी, y की वैल्यू क्या होगी और z की वैल्यू क्या होगी. Okay, and think of this as a 2-player game. Okay, you construct a relation and you say that this is transitive. Okay, जो दूसरा बंदा है वो उसको देखता है, वो कहता है कि ये transitive नहीं है. Okay, अब आपने उसको कहना है कि यार मुझे एग्जांपल दो उन 3 वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यूज़ की जहाँ पे ट्रांसिटिविटी फेल हो रही है. ओके, अब अगर वो बंदा एग्जांपल दे देता है तो फिर वो ट्रांसिटिव नहीं होगा. ओके, अब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये ट्रांसिटिव नहीं है. आई एम गोना आस्क यू टू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ वैल्यूज़ ऑफ 3 वेरिएबल्स वेयर ट्रांसिटिविटी फेल्स. ओके, एंड if you succeed in doing that, then this won't be transitive. But what I'm claiming is that you won't be able to. You cannot set values of x, y, and z where transitivity fails. That's what I'm saying. Over here, if I remove this loop, I can give you an example of x, y, and z where transitivity will fail. So if I take x to be 2, y to be 1, and z to be 2, transitivity fails. I have an xy to 1, I have an yz, which is 1, 2, but I don't have an xz, 2, 2. Okay? When I didn't have this loop. Okay? On here, you cannot think of any x. So if I take, for example, x2 to be 2, y to be 1, तो फिर मेरे पास x, y नहीं होगा. Okay? If I take 1 to be x, 2 to be y, then I have an xy. अब लेकिन I have to figure out z मैंने क्या रखना है. z आप या 2 रख सकते हैं या 1 रख सकते हैं. If I pick 2 to be z, then I don't have a relation from y to z, which is 2, 2. If I take x to be my z, then I don't have an yz because I don't have a connection from 2 to 1. Okay? So my premise उस case में fail हो रही है, which means that this thing is transitive. Are we good? That was a 5-minute dialogue, okay? And you want me to repeat everything. Okay, cool, no problem. I mean, that's my job, right? That's what I... what? Okay, sure. Okay, so what I'm saying is, okay, for transitivity to fail, you need an example of x, y, z where that transitivity fails. Okay? So what I'm saying is, whichever values you pick, x, y, z, transitivity cannot fail. Okay? So what I'm saying is, you cannot pick this thing to be x, क्योंकि यहाँ से कोई arrow जा ही नहीं रहा. अगर मैं इसको 2 को x पकड़ लूँ, तो मेरी premise fail हो रही है हमेशा भी, क्योंकि x, y ही नहीं है. Okay? Regardless कि मैं y को क्या pick करूँ. Okay? अब मैं अगर x को 1 pick कर लूँ और y को 2 pick कर लूँ, तो मेरे पास x, y है. First part of the premise है. अब second part of premise says कि y, z भी होना चाहिए. Okay? अब मैंने decide करना है कि z मैंने क्या रखना है. Okay? अब मैं z को अगर 2 रख लेता हूँ, तो premise fail हो जाएगी. Right? क्योंकि y, z नहीं है. अब मैं z को अगर 1 pick कर लेता हूँ, तो भी premise fail हो जाएगी, क्योंकि 2, 1 नहीं है. है ना? तो premise हर सूरत में fail हो रही है, regardless whatever I pick x, y, and z to be. Make sense? Okay, no, yeah, you have a question? Are we good? All right. How much time do you guys need today, Salia? 15 minutes, the quiz? Okay, cool. Cool, so this is transitivity.